the study abroad at the beach program this fall. It's an amazing experience and I'm so glad I finally made the decision to do it. I've met so many new friends here, a lot of internationals, and the activities they organize are a very nice way to get in contact with those people. But just also being on campus and having class with real American people, that is what I really wanted, and that's why I'm so happy I decided to go to Cal State Long Beach, and I just had a very fun experience.
Hi, my name is Elliot, and my favorite thing about my exchange was basically the weather and being with all my friends here.